What's up, everybody? My name is Isra, and welcome to my channel. We're gonna remove that. That's it. Let's go because I've got a lot of stuff, and I mean a lot. Like, I've got a lot, and this is the one thing I have. Some sour bubble gum, especially 5 of them. And what bubble gum? Hubba Bubba. I love bubblegum, so yeah. I'm dead. So let's play some Pet Simulator X. And let me show you how good I am. Even though I'm not at Pixel World, don't question why I have some of these things. Because I'm only in Tech World for a sneak peek. And I'm probably gonna die due to half of this stuff, but don't question what I've done. So let's go. One of my favorite games that I recommended. And if you don't know, but a few minutes later, I'm going to post a video where, what the heck? Where, I unbox a Rubik's Cube bag, mystery bag box. And if you have not realized, you haven't realized you're blind, but look at what I have. Look at that. Like, seriously. Oh my god. I got some Pixel Dogs and a mythical. Only one mythical. And if you don't know, I have other pets than just those. Yep, even I got this for free. Some of these I got from trade. No, I got the max. I think they're in the dark matter section, where I put them in dark matter so they can become dark mattered. So right now they're dark matter. They're getting dark mattered. A few of them, and after they're done, which is one of my Pixel Wolves, and I think, yeah, this is why I want Robux today, and I've got the gum. What the shit? What? Where's my gum? Where's the other? There it is. Jesus Christ. So, yeah, they get ready in a few days. One of them gets ready after a day. But I don't want to convert any so I can be safe. The one I want is my Pixel Wolf, where it only goes one day. And I also have a hoverboard. Oh my gosh. And I'm a pro at this game. And look at my coins. Like, my coins are literally the best. I got these coins from loot bags and chests. Seriously. I just got them out of nowhere. And there. If no one knows what is happening, I need 36 loot bags and don't question why there's quests. That's for that portal over there that makes the entire world shake. And what I just found out you can do this. You can kind of do some weird stuff over with this thing, this game. So don't question why I'm quiet, but boom, baby. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Okay, I'm screwed. If you haven't watched The Boys, they swear a lot. Like they swear a lot. So usually they don't bleep. So yeah, I'm not gonna bleep it. And be ready for that Rubik's because look at all these eggs. And just to let you know, if you see something here, there's an actual wall and that you can buy. And yeah, this is mine, and I'm gonna buy those. Ooh, a Haxigator, which I already have. That's my other one. That's the one I just hatched. If you don't know why this one's called Charlie, this one's called Rosie, this one's called Autumn, and now this one's called Rosie, well, that's actually the squad of my friends. Yeah. I'll be nice. I'll give them a Pixel Wolf and Preston. Welcome, dude. I feel bad for this guy. Like, what he's going through and stuff. I mean, I was like that. Until literally I just got loot eggs out of nowhere until I just never played this game. Because I thought it was impossible. And I still play Brookhaven to this day. And I still play infection games to this day. And if you didn't know, I love furries. This is like the one thing is because I have a dog and I love dogs. That's probably why. And I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say in the comments. Shh. Shut your mouth. I don't care what you say. Like, oh, furries are a bit or annoying. Dude, have you seen the conventions? Hmm? Hmm? Yeah, have you seen those conventions? Damn. So, don't be rude. Because I've got like 13 pixel wolves and another pixel wolf. That is a piece of crap. And I swear, once I would, and I've got a game that we're gonna play right now. It's a furry infection game. Even though the photo seems inappropriate, it's not that bad. I've even got more stuff. Furry Paradise. Yep, that's the game right here. I've even played it. What the fuck? I don't know what that is. What is that? Looks like you just plopped on a random photo of a furry that someone drew. So here's the infection game. The infection game may seem bad, but really it's not that bad. That's literally the thumbnail that you get to see. With the Volk dude. The one thing I could have done is just dress up as a furry and go to a little airport. So this is like your normal infection game. It's just normal, but instead of random animals, it's furries. Seriously. And this is my favorite part. This is my favorite one, too. Dude, look how detailed this is. Whoever created this, I love them because they better be a furry lover or I'm gonna beat the shit out of them. No cap. Flamessa! Flamessa! Wait, let's see if I can find that dude. Wait. I was gonna stand here and see if anyone would kidnap. Let's get a code. I don't know what I'm doing. Seriously, I literally got, and I don't know why I got it. Just that, why is there an ability, like, it's like those random games that you just find, and they're horrible, and they're bad. Hey, you want to get a cone on your head? Come. I'll put a cone. Do you want a cone? With that? Oh, Madison. Sorry, Madison. No, I'm not. Wait, I just realized some of these furries have the same head. Why blood? Dude, we just want you. Stop being a wussy. Stop being a wuss. Stop. Oh, we got him. Please don't kill him. Ice died. Soup boy, yeah, you're infected. Soup boy died, didn't he? Didn't he? Why blood? Gracious. If this is what you get, you don't get upset. This camp. Break one of the rules. No camping. Why am I breathe? I don't need to breathe. Like what? What? If I just touch what? What? That doesn't make sense. No, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Dude, wait, if I made it, I don't want to pee in it. No! What is this? I feel like I want to die. Never mind. Nope.